In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app-like shortcut for Google Sheets that will open in its dedicated window. This means you can access your Google Sheets directly without the clutter of your main browser, making it feel just like an app on your computer. This method can be particularly handy if you frequently use Google Sheets and want a quicker, more streamlined way to access it. To start, open your preferred web browser. I'd recommend using Google Chrome because it supports this feature seamlessly. Navigate to the Google Sheet that you want to create a shortcut for. Make sure that it's open and fully loaded in your browser window. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see a three-dot icon, also known as the More Options or More Tools menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. It will open a drop-down list with several options. From the list, hover over More Tools, and you'll notice another sub-menu appearing. Here, you want to select the Create Shortcut option. This is where the magic happens. A small window will pop up, prompting you to name your shortcut. You can name it whatever you like, perhaps something simple that you'll instantly recognize, such as My Google Sheet or Finance Tracker. Next, you'll see a crucial checkbox labeled Open as Window. Make sure to check this box. By doing so, you ensure that each time you open this shortcut, it will launch in its window, separate from your main browser tabs. This not only creates a neater working environment, but also helps keep your tasks focused. After you've named your shortcut and checked the Open as Window box, click the Create button. Chrome will now create a shortcut on your computer. You'll most likely find this new shortcut in your Applications folder. Additionally, if you're using a Mac, you can drag this shortcut directly to your dock for even quicker access. On a Windows device, you could drag it to your Start menu or pin it to your taskbar. Each time you click on this shortcut, your Google Sheet will now open up as if it's a standalone app, which can really enhance your productivity, especially if you juggle multiple spreadsheets throughout your day. And that's it! You've successfully created an app-like shortcut for your Google Sheets that opens in its dedicated window, making your workflow smoother and faster. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace.